We're very committed to education. We're very committed to make an impact. And we believe simple acts of support are priceless.
Auburn has developed some world-class facilities, including the Advanced Structural Engineering Laboratory, which includes an amazing geotechnical component, as well as the National Center for Asphalt Technology. As an Auburn alum, I want to give back to the next generation of civil engineers, to help them, to coach them, to mentor them, to show them opportunities that present themselves in the future.
We're engaging with students first because it's all about the students, it's all about the people. So we're coming in and engaging by teaching classes, hosting soft skills seminars to help students be comfortable in their own skin.
I think impactful engagement is relational. Students want authenticity. It's when we really have that one-on-one time to speak with them, to show them who we are, what we're about. That's when they really value it. All of those things are things I think that it's important to give back at the university level. And I want to see those graduates be excited about ECS, whether they work for us or whether they are going somewhere else.